teachers as well as my dear parents. Firstly, happy safe Independence Day of my motherland, India. It is really a moment of pride for us. This day marks the historical day on which 73 years ago we got independence. As you know, this year on the eve of Independence Day, however, things are different with coronavirus still dragging on and a lack of clarity on when schools are going to reopen. Students, because of coronavirus, we can't gather together in the school. So let us hope that next year we'll be there together for celebrating this Independence Day, and hope that we'll join the school as soon as possible. So, as you know, that because of this coronavirus, the classes are also going online, and every programs, every competition is going on online. So I hope that we'll be soon there in the school with you. And ऐसा जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि प्रत्येक वर्ष की तरह इस वर्ष भी भारत 15 अगस्त को अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहा है। इस दिन ही हमारे देश को वर्षों की गुलामी के बाद आज़ादी मिली थी, और हम सब यह पर्व मिलजुल कर मनाते हैं। लेकिन इस वर्ष कोरोना महामारी फैली हुई है, लेकिन फिर भी इस वर्ष इस पर्व को लेकर हम सब में उत्साह है, और उत्साह में कोई भी कमी नहीं है। इस वर्ष हम साथ में नहीं मना रहे, पूरे भारतवर्ष में ऑनलाइन ही हम अपने विचार प्रकट कर रहे हैं। सो टुडे वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे 2020 to tribute and remember the struggles undertaken by our leaders. So today we are free from every slaves. You can see it around the world. What is the situation of those nations who are still slaves today? We should be more thankful to our leaders who have realized it. No doubt we are free land, but this free land is surrounded by a host of problems. We are facing many issues today, like the issue of overpopulation, illiteracy, unemployment, poverty, underdevelopment, etc. Apart from all of these problems, our country has many good things to offer. We are nuclear power country. We have a large and brave army, so we should not forget our army personnel who are day and night in the borders to serve us, to save us. So firstly, we salute all the army personnel who are keeping us safe, our country safe. And now I would like to discuss about online classes. As you know that the shutdown of all educational institutions due to the rapid spread of coronavirus in the country has impacted the entire education, not only in our state, not only you can say in Khatima or our district Udhamsing Nagar, but entire the country, entire the world. This education system has impact because of only this coronavirus. So even during this epidemic situation, our teachers are with you by taking e-learning classes or online classes. So you have to cooperate with teachers as well as our school also. Once again, I would like to thank all the students, all the teachers, all the guardians, all the parents, and I wish all the best and my wishes for this 73rd Independence Day. So lastly, let us make a promise. Every student, you should make a promise with ourselves, with yourself, to serve our country. We have to work day and night. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. And one thing I would like to share with you, all the students, that our schools had got CBSE affiliation. We have received our letter, our certificate. So now it's a Shivalik Academy Secondary School. So congratulations to all of you, to all the management committee, to all the students, to all the parents and guardians, and all our dear teachers. So lastly, once again, Happy Independence Day. आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय उत्तराखंड।